Oh, morning. How's everyone doing? Good morning. Happy Thursday. I'm still a little bit sick, so you guys won't see me today, but I'll be 100% back on Monday. This pullback in the market looks a little bit interesting. It's pulling back to yesterday's highs. Let's see if NQ can hold here. And we have data in 15 minutes. Yeah, so ES is trying to hold this yesterday's high level around the 40s. NQ already lost it. NQ is looking pretty weak. Very, very weak. Yeah, NQ extremely weak. Hey guys,
What's up?
I like this pullback.
Okay, no, it's fully caught up for us. We're back in line. Everything is back, synced back up.
So it must be
Okay.
that velocity logic, whatever they say.
I don't know. That's a long time. That's a long time for it to be. I was watching it. I mean, you saw it, and I watched it for a good few minutes, and was still doing it. So it's a long time for it to be velocity logic, I would think. I think that they just have an issue on their end with the data feed.
It looks like the market is going for the gap.
I'm curious about is obviously down to like this kind of like we have a whole level area of like 69.23 down to like this PML 69.11. There's a lot there to watch opens and PDCs and a whole bunch of things. So there's a lot there. NQ watch down into like 472, 483, kind of in that area and see what we do.
GC, the 40-year level is rejected again, it's reacting. We just sitting between 38.4 and 48.5. But I would like to see GC digest all the movement from yesterday and overnight.
I'm watching this area right here for a slight pop. We're at 50% on ES of like the overnight.
So what, like that pre-market low of like 69.11 to the high of 69.64, or to the pre-market high of like 69.59? I guess it doesn't matter. It's a few points, it's whatever. Okay, I hear what you're saying though.
We had data in
Yeah,
10.
like that 69.11 to this morning's high. We're right at like 50% here. Or whatever
Okay,
that is, like you were
69.
saying, 69.10,
Yeah,
11-ish.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, I see it. See what we do if we get back up to this orb low at 612.5 on NQ, what we do up there. A rejection back at 45 on ES would be pretty ugly. You get previous day high there, you get VWAP sitting there, you get orb low sitting there.
That was a beautiful call, LT.
Yeah.
Thank
nice
you.
little pop.
Just kind of watching her. Doesn't mean we're gonna just keep ripping, but just wanting to watch.
Yeah, to me, reclaiming this orb low and this PDH at 69.45 is could be a sign that we have a little more room to go back up. I wanted a little bit lower. I would have liked to see us sweep a little lower. We didn't really sweep much, right? Although that was a kind of a nice little spot that ES bounced off of, right? You can see kind of in the overnight, we kind of topped there a couple times, right? Double top there, came back down. We kind of rejected again on a 15-minute, on a 5-minute time frame. We rejected again quickly, and then held this 69.23 and pushed it back through. So interesting little spot that it held up there
I like this reaction
at
here on
33.
ES. But I'm gonna wait to trade after data.
Data's in what? What do we have? We have something in at 10,
7.
right? To
Mhm.
10. 10 is today Thursday. PCE. Okay. Oh, we have October data too. What do we have October data? A little late.
Yeah, really nice reaction here on ES.
And keep getting back over that orb low. Still below PDH, still below VWAP. kind of flipping here, right? This morning ES looks stronger, NQ look weaker, and now it's kind of the opposite possibly.
Mhm.
NQ is now getting weaker.
Yeah, that was perfect reaction on ES.
Yeah.
That was beautiful. Sometimes I kick myself for not taking trades like this just because we have data in like 5 minutes. But sometimes also it's better to be safe than sorry.
I agree. Taking trades around news is can be risky.
And technical can be invalidated in data.
Mm.
It's Joey.
I want to see the market going a little bit lower, a little bit more lower, so you can fill the entire gap that made overnight.
Guys, be careful in GC to neither either side, longs and shorts. It just ranging.
What news is coming out?
2 minutes.
PCE. PCE data. It is red folder, I believe, too. So just FYI. If you're in TPT, they don't like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, red folder core PCE. 1 minute. Kind of why I'm saying doing nothing yet. Don't want to get caught in anything.
Okay. Data is out. Come on, keep going
So we
lower.
do here. Okay. I still think we have a little bit lower we can go.
Yeah,
Doesn't
me
feel like
too.
enough there.
Mm-hmm.
Just if and when we get there, 500 stacked on order flow and bookmap.
Yeah. I like the 500 to 480 area.
Mm-hmm.
Actually 480 to 470. Anything really in there is pretty good, I think.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Let's see if we get down there first though. It's trying to push down. It's really trying. ES looks like it wants to go for it too, but a little stuck for now.
Okay.
Hanging around.
Come on, just go lower
See.
already.
Really holding up. I'm surprised right now. We're expecting to see us slip down a little bit quicker.
There is something else in the dock today. The market looks like it's waiting for something.
Um, Let's see. Let me see if I see anything else. I don't recall seeing anything on the calendar, Sasha. There's Japan rates, but that's tentative. I don't even know when that's going to be. And then New Zealand CPI, that's at 4:45 p.m. Like I mean, nothing that I'm seeing, Sasha. To be honest, we do look a little stuck, though. We definitely do look a little just uninterested in making a move.
I mean, NQ is it lost the 50 daily SMA, but if it can reclaim it and reclaim the 20 SMA, which is gonna rally. Just the market being a downside. Now, GC, I don't have anything. I am not touching GC in the range it is. Over, I don't have nothing either. I'll just wait and see.
Okay. Keep
Okay.
going lower. Around 525 on NQ is the gap field, and 919 is the gap on ES also.
Yeah, 69.23 is a level. Who for someone who said that? Bryant, yeah. 69.23 is an area on ES for sure. Again, I kind of anything between this like 11.10 to 23 on ES is interesting to me. Oh boy, everybody.
Yeah, very slow move to the downside. Not much happening.
Not my favorite. Yeah, not great right now. Let's go get gold for fun. Nope, it's not.
Go took the day off.
Yeah, nothing happening there either. Okay. Yeah, it's a little slow right now, everybody. It's okay. A move will set up.
Not always gonna be super exciting like yesterday.
Yes, exactly. 100%.
It was sexy yesterday.
Yesterday was a wild ride.
But this is why it's so important to understand price action. Like today, the market is moving super slow. We have data. It's the market is still not at an important level, so there's no reason for us to try to force a trade. Yesterday was a very easy uptrend day.
Yeah, I'm up $80. Literally, that's it. Then nothing.
We can get coffee with that.
Definitely with that. We don't have to get dunks either. We can get a good coffee. That's what's great about $80.
Oh hell no. Somebody be broke if we not getting donkey.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I'd rather go sleep deprivation, no caffeine at all, than get a dunks.
Yeah.
I get okay. That's not true. That's not true. I will get a dunks iced in the summer if I'm in desperate need of coffee and it's all us there. Oh, I have been known to dabble, but it's not
Summer.
a preference
It's
I have.
you need it. You need a refreshment. Summer.
That's that's right. That's right. There's a cold in summer. Yikes, guys. This is rough.
Yeah. Make yesterday great again.
Nice.
I live in PA and I'd rather go to Wawa and get coffee than Dunkin'. Yeah, we are. I'm not touching it until we pick a side.
Live creativity. I grew up in Mass and moved to New Hampshire, and yeah, dunks is every 14 feet. So we also have dunks everywhere. That doesn't mean it's good. You and Case must be buddies. Case loves his dunks too. Ugh. No.
Yikes.
Holy moly, this.
Wawa iced coffee is fire.
Yeah, I like Starbucks though. My mood. Starbucks is good. Dunkin' coffee is like gross water, correct? Oh yeah, yeah. Live creativity. I can't touch their hot coffee. It's always tastes burnt. It's always disgusting. I can't even remotely touch their hot coffee.
Dunkin' coffee? Ooh,
Okay.
I remember the
See?
first time that I tried it. I was little. I came here. We came here for vacation. It was like a stop drive from Miami to Orlando. We were going to see Mickey. And I tried that thing. It was like, yikes, why these people buying this coffee? What's going on with Americans drinking this?
Now you keep talking about the Venezuelan coffee. I need to try that.
It's pretty good. It's affordable. I don't care. It's terrible. It tastes like, I remember like very vividly that for me it tastes like water with cigarettes. I don't know. It was
Yeah,
weird.
yeah, I could see that.
Mhm.
Yeah, I could see that. It just tastes burnt and ashy and gross.
Mhm.
Like,
Like it's been sitting for there forever.
yeah, on the heat, just burning itself for the past
Yeah.
7 hours. And you're like, who wants to drink this? everybody, we will talk market once there's something to talk about. Like it's just we need to get something going, right? So in the meantime, we talk about our favorite thing, which is coffee.
On ES, 63.20, 69.23 hold, but doesn't look strong. It'll just sit in there.
That's me every morning, Sasha. Just get the whole damn pot and just start pouring in my mouth.
That's me too.
Yeah.
And when my grandma visits me, coffee is made at 5 something in the morning.
Oh yeah, it's funny. That's my mother-in-law. When we go away and stuff, when we take her away with us, she is like a 5 a.m. or 4 a.m. person in bed by like 7 p.m., right?
Yep.
And whenever you wake up, there's always coffee on. You're like, yeah, that's good. I like this. I can do more of this. It's the best.
And every other
Waking up to
hour,
coffee is the best.
and every other hour you eat, there's a cup of coffee right next to it. Anything
Yes.
with a cup of
So
coffee.
good. Samuel, yeah. Are you in chat, Samuel? You are not. Okay, cool. You should join us. But
All right, can we finally drop here?
oh goodness, is it gonna happen?
Yeah.
All right. Again, we get this drop. I'm kind of watching into this, like, I really kind of want this 480 area, 485, something in there.
480
We'll
will
speak
be
for
a gift.
500. Yeah, yes, but that's what I want at this point. Like, 500 is not enough. If I got in at 500, I'd be like, okay, cool. I just really want 480. So, I guess I guess I could more size at 500, but 480 is whatever. 480 would be just the perfect. It'd be like I'd go pretty heavy probably. Not trading advice, entertainment purposes only, but I like 480 a lot. I'm gonna check gold for a second. All right. Okay, gold.
We're still in the same channel.
Yeah, I'd like to see gold get over 50. Now, this is me. I'm not Sasha, so keep that in mind. Over 55 here.
This is where I am in gold, 48.5 to 38.4. The buyers who bought at 38 are defending it, and the sellers, yesterday was the level that we used 48, but I have a heavy seller at 48. So I'm trying to see which one is gonna win the battle. I'm not touching it until we pick a side.
Got it. Makes sense to me.
Another level is 28.10, which is the 30-minute POC from overnight. So let's see.
Wow. Oh God.
Next, use the 48 is holding on the 30 minutes on in Q. I'm not an NQ trader. Take everything with a grain of salt, but it's and the longer we hold, the less likely we drop.
Yes. Right, because the idea is you get the idea is the market moves in segments, right? So you get you really get consolidation, then you get drop or pop, then you get consolidation usually, then you get drop or pop, and you get consolidation usually, and get right. Like it's usually how it works, right? You find a level, you find an area, you consolidate there. We agree on price. When I say we, the market, everybody in it, traders agree on price, and you move away from that price when one side pushes, right? So this could be all it is. We're kind of just consolidating here and waiting for the move. The problem is this could also lean to buyers getting exhausted and giving up, and then sellers taking over. But I do agree. Usually, if we pull to a level that we like for support and it holds for a while, it'll probably push off it.
Yeah. Also, the 50 daily SMA is off 561. It's been a level interest since last night.
Oh, I guess okay. I'm back. Did I just get kicked, or did someone else get?
Yeah,
That was
earlier
weird.
today.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
Don't pull back now though. Like this is just don't come back in this little area because then we don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah.
I like what ES is doing, trying to
Mm-hmm.
push up here.
Yeah, I'll be watching again 944 on ES. If we get another rejection or if it acts as support, I'm gonna go long.
Okay. Still showing signs of struggle.
Ooh, what was that?
Yep.
Hmm.
Okay.
Damn.
Right.
I was even waiting for 638. That was a 50% of the leg down, but couldn't even get up there.
No. Struggling. Really struggling to do anything right now.
Elon is gonna start speaking in Davos in a few minutes. I don't know if that's gonna move the market.
Who's speaking? What?
Elon.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know.
Tesla go wild. And
Hmm.
Q is gonna move.
Maybe he already started?
you rejected again, then.
Yeah, I don't know about this. This looks like you're asking to get smacked
Mm-hmm.
by picking a side right now. There's no this is no no, this is all indecision, just straight indecision. No real decision has been made yet on what the market wants to do.
Most likely we'll have to wait until London close today.
This feels like the worst thing we've had in a while, guys. Maybe it's just because yesterday was so hype, but God, this feels awful.
I was excited today to try,
Me
but
too.
yesterday I'm like, oh, we are so back. It was like I had a crystal ball yesterday, and every all the levels were leveling. Jackie, be careful with that long. You had a lot of buyers stacking up on 56. I mean, seller, sorry.
You guys use the DOM to know where are sellers and buyers?
I use bookmark.
Mm.
Oh yeah, Bookmap. You can use the DOM if you have level 2 data though. It's the same thing,
I'll
right?
be scared
Bookmap
to
is just
trade
a
anything
more
if
of a
I'm
visual
watching,
tool.
if I'm seeing people like selling and buying at a level.
When I'm using bookmark, I only look at CQC. That's numbers are resting in levels.
Mm.
And when I am in the tray, I look at the COV where the orders are already filled. And it showed me what liquidity is like just by looking at the mob. So when I'm in the trade, I don't have to like move around and I make a decision quickly.
Mm-hmm.
But when I'm in the trade and we're just respecting the 21 SMA, I just trail my stop and I always have limit orders to cover certain
Okay.
areas.
So I'm looking really just this, right? I put it in chat, but it's just kind of just that, right? All it's giving you really is how many orders are resting where. The yellow line kind of shows you how long they've been resting there for, right?
Mm-hmm.
But there's not much there's not much here. There's like no orders realistically. Like even down below, like a 25.5, that's 84. That's nothing. That's negligible numbers, right? You're looking for 500s, 400s. You're looking for big numbers to see if people are stacking orders at that level. Usually they're big players, but it is Thursday. Our case should be here actually.
I use the DOM and Bookmap. So Motive Wave and Tradeify, they both have depth of market, so you can see the orders from the DOM on your chart. So you don't have to keep looking at the DOM, or you don't have to keep staring at Bookmap. So it's pretty nice.
Okay, maybe he's in the office Tuesday and Thursday. Yeah, I love that. I love how Motive Wave looks. That's so good. I love that.
Okay, what happened if you are on a long and you see a big seller right above? Like, wouldn't that mess
That can
up your
be
trade?
no, that can be good or bad, depends on how you look at it, right? When you have a large order block above,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes the market wants to go get it. It's liquidity, right?
Mm-hmm.
The market
Mm-hmm.
wants liquidity. It's what it wants. It wants to go get orders. So when you have a massive order, and it's tough, you have to be careful because it can be used as a way to pull liquidity. It can also be used as a
Mm-hmm.
wall, right?
Yeah.
Also, people can pull the order, right? Like
Mm-hmm.
there's a lot to this outside of just seeing the orders. I think it just helps people, helps me get an idea of where people or where larger institutions might think we're going,
Okay.
right? Um,
If
so
I
it's
am in
hard.
a
There's
tray in a big order pop like that, just do my deep of the day, my good deep of the day, and give my contract to them. I cover some. For example, if I am alone at 39 and there's a big order at 50, I will cover some just in case they just want to retrace.
Oh yeah, RTY is very strong today.
EY. Oh gosh, I watched them.
RTY.
These
I don't
ads.
know why.
Uh, uh, damn. Good. I missed this gold move. So gold now over this 55 to me, Sasha, is interesting. Is interesting. Maybe 58. Maybe more like 58.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm over here talking with a mic silent. Um, I like that level, and but we have the your high from yesterday, and the fact that we reclaim 48, but we are not as strong. We just some be grinding and got me cautious. Now, silver, on the other hand,
Nice gold.
93.62 was the move. It was clean and sexy. It hold beautifully.
Okay, let's see if ES can hold this level. I also like this
Yep, gold is
breakout on
beautiful.
RTY.
That whole 58. Oh, that was good. 50. Yeah, that was beautiful. Oh, what a good play. ES pushing into this PDH or below kind of resistance here. So we'll see what we do here at this I guess ADS at like 44, 45 area is interesting. Oh, yes. Okay.
Okay, I like that move. And we really hold it.
Into that 50% of that move, right? Whereas I think now up and around this 40 area, it's close.
Yeah, just watching because it's also the previous day high there in that zone. Could
Mm-hmm.
easily be a
Yeah.
reclaim of that and then huge pump.
53.5 is what I'm watching, right? That PDH kind of the lows from this morning, kind of watching us as we get back into that. And see what we do. Yes, rejecting there.
Okay, I got an alert on silver. Why?
Sasha, why?
Oh yeah,
Give us the
it's
silver
the
breakdown real fast.
95.10 needs to break
Yeah, that's it.
19 95.19.
I missed my entry, and so we're looking at NQ. This is not good. But that's a pivot, a flower pivot. Last Sunday night.
Yep.
Yeah. Sometimes I go back to look at those March calls that I had that I was gonna pick up for silver and realize they've gone 400%. That doesn't feel great. Brutal.
Okay, I'm trying a long here on RTY. Yeah, the ES also looks pretty good.
The Dom is going crazy right now. I was long from 6:15 and I put break even and I just got stopped out.
Nice entry, Eric.
I'm long NQ. My entry's at 614. If we claim 33 on 83, I will add to this position. I'm targeting 650.
Yes, to hold over this nice, but gotta hold over this kind of 45 level for me.
Waiting for the 2-minute candle to close and confirm if the reclaim to add. Just add it.
Yeah, it's holding. We stay high right here on Qs and NQ. So be careful into the 620.5 on the Qs and then 653 on
I just
NQ.
covered partials on NQ, another limit order to cover partials of 4. And I want to see what happens C2. Here, there. Was that right even?
Still like ES being over this PDH and this orb low. It looks good.
I think I'm gonna get out of here, but you guys have a good day.
You too.
Later,
Silver is
bud.
breaking out.
Enjoy.
It's looking pretty good.
Later.
We'll see you guys.
Catch.
When
A
I
good movement
say
today. Something a little more survivable.
Yeah.
when I say I'm covering, I mean I'm taking partials of my position. I always say if I am up 10, 15 points, I cover 1 or 2 contracts that I have. I never let my position run with my full amount of contracts. Because it helps me to maintain in the position without losing the profit.
I've never traded silver with futures before, but I really like what it's doing. If it can give me a little pullback to the 19, I might try to a long with calls. I don't even know what's the silver ticker for futures micros.
Oh, SIL.
SIL.
Okay. That's the micro?
Yes.
Mhm.
Yep.
SIC is that's the all right. I just covered more of my NQ long. I want to see what happened at 60 to 62.
This right here is the spot for me. Right here on NQ is the spot I'm watching.
Is
Mhm. What are you
SIL?
afraid of?
I don't,
Okay, H. Okay.
Hey,
guys,
you do you.
I flat the position because I tried to put cover and it rejected, so I just panicked.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, no. I mean, this is the spot where we could see some trouble, right? Back into this previous day high, back into this
I don't know. The thing is not
held.
buying me anything. Well, whatever.
Anyway, back to that eval that I'm playing around with NQ. From the first trade, there was a red trade. So I made $277 with 3 markers.
Yep, exactly, Ross. Yeah, this is a very important level, I think. Watch it for a while.
It all lines up. It's got the GP there, golden pocket, and it's got a previous low, and that's where demand
Previously
failed.
high was.
To,
Yeah, it's. I mean, this is a lot.
I'm just watching.
I mean, it's a good push off the lows, right? So I mean, I'm not saying, hey, reverse this thing. That's definitely not what I'm saying. But this is a spot I would be very cautious in.
Do you guys hear a bunch of noise on my end? I have
I do
construction
not.
above me. No?
No.
Nope.
Okay.
It's dead silent for me. No, you're good.
Okay, because it's driving me crazy.
Tomorrow morning, try to remind me, Roz, that we should early on keep a very close eye on TSX and Iterate / TOS or any other platform to see if we're having a discrepancy in lag there. I want to make sure we check on that.
The
Just
only
put it
way
out
I
there so I
noticed is
don't.
because I had the motive wave up. Otherwise, I would have probably not even noticed.
Yeah, I didn't notice, and because TOS is on a different screen for me, so it's enough. Okay, see, this is a level, right? This is the problem right here. Is this level was going to be a challenge?
Yikes.
Uh-huh. Yep.
It's an
Uh-huh.
ugly
It's good.
move, especially on
Super good
Yeah,
rejection.
NQ.
Fantastic.
was it was for the best spot in that position.
Yep.
Okay,
That was
so
perfect.
definitely it's a
Perfect
choppy day
rejection.
today, very slow price action. So we cannot expect much from our trades today. Today is a scalper's day.
Yeah. Watch this though, as we move back to the orb low here, and then ES is back at PDH.
RTY is
Um,
it's moving very nice. Which I'm happy because I'm in it. Nice hold on ES. 944 hold, 945.
yeah, I'm watching that right now.
Mm-hmm.
Could be good.
Yeah,
And
but I don't like how
NQ
the
is the
market
problem.
is
NQ.
moving.
No, I don't either. Like
Mm.
I would have wanted a little more pop off that immediately. And it's kind of just still struggling again. And that could just be the market today, right? With how
Mm-hmm.
the movement has been, it's been kind of slow and very, very drawn out. Um,
I don't like that. Also, that NQ reaction. So far, ES and RTY are holding pretty good, but I don't like this NQ reaction.
You really want to see NQ really pop here out of this. It's just not doing it. Because again, you're still over low, right? You're still over VWAP on NQ. You're not necessarily on death's door, right? It can still hold here, but it doesn't look the best. See if we pop right now, though. I guess that's a good push off or blow. God, it's so slow though.
Hello, new all-time high in silver.
Gold, whoa, right? Gold pop
Yeah.
too. Sheesh. Metals. Holy moly, it's going for it.
Man, I missed my entry in silver. That move is clean and sexy.
Did silver flying? Yes. Okay, I don't know why I couldn't buy silver.
Which firm are you trying to use?
It SILH6.
Yeah, but which firm?
Oh,
Not
Apex.
all firms allows it.
Right.
All right,
Apex may not allow it,
Ah,
you only can use the minis, which is C, the ticket,
and you don't want to do that.
and you don't want to do that
maybe.
because the
Don't do
spread
that.
is 100.
That would have
Well,
been a perfect entry. Look at
yeah,
that thing was.
I did it TPT, but the spread is $100,
Okay.
and the tick $25 per tick.
It's okay. I took it with calls. So with options. So I'm not, at least I'm getting something from this.
The only firms that allow silver micros are Top Lucy, and Farmer Futures. ADR, so you can know 3 minis on silver, a point and a half is 10K.
Okay. Mm. I don't like this price action. I kind of feel like getting my $50 and getting out of here.
Yeah, I've got like 100 or something, and I think I'm probably done. I mean, I don't have. I'm still waiting to see, but this is not great trading.
I'm gonna call it because I missed my entries and I am not gonna change metals. And I'm gonna keep the 200 something that I have in the eBal from NQ.
Mhm.
We got you guys later.
Bye, Sasha.
Later.
Bye.
I really was just watching to see if this 5-minute can print a hammer here, because it's towards near the retracement, and it's got a lower high, and then I want
Thank you.
this next candle, if it prints bullish, to break above for a long.
ES is still holding support, which is the only reason why I'm still holding my IWM position. It's also holding pretty good, but I do think if ES can keep holding this support, we could see more upside. But NQ is extremely weak. So I guess it's
I don't like how
50-50.
it looks.
It's a
I also
50-50 situation here.
yeah.
I want to say NQ holding the 600s.
Gold's still looking good. Wow, trying. I see some gold up at like 84, maybe even back at 91.
Okay.
Metals aren't playing games.
I'm gonna start selling here because why not? I don't like this price action.
I took a small position there. I didn't like the previous candle. Like I was saying, I wanted a hammer, but it did break above nicely, so I was gonna try it.
We're getting more movement off of that here. Projection on gold there. Middle. Yeah. Come on. Just two more. Never a payout.
Bro, my trades were all over the place today. I'm not gonna lie. sucks.
Yes, this is tough though. I mean, there's a lot of choppy action. I mean, we look at this morning, right? I know LT Crush, he comes in. It's the good price action today. I don't know what he was watching, but it wasn't watching. But this morning, like we know, after from like 9:50 to like 10:30, we did nothing. I mean, that was tough. Not the best day if I'm in terms of action. Still fine, still a good day, but like not a great day. Get out of here shortly to get to a meeting.
Oh, I don't know what's going on here, but my screen got crazy. I think I'm having internet problems.
No good.
Yeah.
I mean, Blade, that was a nice 600 hold though.
It was for sure.
It's just tough to trade this.
It is. It's really hard. Like even if you caught it right, like let's say you got in at 613. It's holding 600. Like I like it. 613. We pop up to 625. We actually move all the way to 630. Come all the way back down to 600 to come back. I mean, like it's just there's a lot of like stuff happening between the levels. We're not getting clean, clear moves that are like quick with momentum off these levels. They're kind of chopping up slowly or down slowly. Again, which is fine for some. I'm more of a momentum trader looking for very quick moves. So this is tougher for me.
Yeah. I still like the hold on ES and the 600 hold on NQ. And I'm still holding some runners on my RTY trade, but I don't like this price action.
Yeah, I don't love this either.
It's pretty messy, very choppy, very slow also. I feel like we can have like big candle to either side any moment.
Yeah. That's what I'm afraid of too, ADR, is that we just get some random ass candle that comes out of nowhere. I'm like, okay. Because it wouldn't even take a huge candle, right? Like even with this kind of movement, even a 25, 30, 40 point candle, I mean, which is not astronomical on NQ, would still do damage, right? Because
Yeah.
of how slow we're moving. I like ES now starting to break up and over.
Look at ES. ES looks like it wants to boom boom.
Yes, it does. 100%. ES looking pretty strong, honestly.
What was that?
What?
I was
What I
just looking
miss?
at ES and this huge order just came in. Hold on,
Oh,
I'll show it to you. $700 lots filled, and there's still 300 there at 660, 69660, and then they drop down to 6950. This is wild. I don't know. I'm not touching it.
You're like, when I don't know what the heck is going on, I'm out. It's not for me. Come on, come on, come on. Give me something. Gold right now really between the 70 and 77 area here.
Okay, can we have one push here? So I can get out of this trade. I'm hungry.
What are you in? What are you in currently? ADR? Are you in
R2Y.
R2Y still?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm still holding 8 micros.
I wonder if we get pop now.
Still looks like it wants to go, but again, I don't
I
trust
would
this
agree.
price action.
This to me looks like ES is ready to actually. I'm thinking 6960 is where we're heading next. Whereas this is tough, guys. Like ES, I swear, is looking for it. It's looking for that pop, but it's just not happening.
Yeah.
It's almost like
Come
the same
on.
chart, ES and NQ right now. The last three 30-minute bars are identical.
Just break out already. Or die.
Or give us a lower high so you can short.
This is wild. It's so slow. There it goes. It's gonna go now. Watch. Now it's gonna go.
I guess I
Feel
should
like
have
we're now
played
head to
ES instead
53
of
right now.
R2Y. Hmm.
The worst part is I took a small long attempt, stopped at 61 at 621 on that pullback there. Ah, it's okay. It's okay. Still green on the bid. Again, only small. Are you just gonna stop here again? Because I very done with this. There we go. There we go. Give me a little more. I had to get back in. I had no choice. Could probably end where I started, but that's all right. We get over. Now it's really like you want to get over that 73, 72, 73 area. Be really nice. up, down from up, down. It's gonna end here. I gotta get going. This was the wonderful day. Wasn't 68 cents of it. All right, folks, I'm done. I still see potential upside here. I still see ES getting to 60-ish, 59. I still want to see NQ really get over this 55 area. And I think when it does, we can get going back up. I'll be looking for like between 94 and 715, like that. We get a little 5 minute for everybody to get up in there. I'd be watching up in there if we get up there. At possible resistance area. But I think that there's more room here to go. But
Good.
I will. Oh, nice, Eric. Back in. Nice.
You're gonna time
Yeah, I
it
think it's
perfectly, aren't you? You're gonna log off and it's gonna go crazy.
Man, look
I
at
see
that
it.
ES. I'm
I
so
made.
mad.
I tell you, here we go. It's gonna go. Right, like this is.
Oh yeah, ES looks
I'm a
beautiful.
little frustrated
Yeah.
that I got taken out for minus. Let me just.
I'm watching NQ 660.
I got swept from my stop loss by points. Went higher above. So I will see. Yeah, and NQ here, I think it's good. I think we're okay, right? Over this PDA, I'm gonna be okay up over here. And I want to see us up into, like I said, that 700 area, even up into the high. Third of this. I think you're in good shape, everybody. This looks pretty solid. We've now broken back over that little previous high there from this morning at 10:45. I think you're in good shape. Am I chopping? All right, guys, I'm out of here. Later, everybody. I'll catch you all
Later.
tomorrow.
See ya.
Okay, I want to see RTY holding this support. If cannot hold this support, I'm getting out of this trade. I'm also gonna try this NQ hold. Okay, I like that push on NQ. Yeah, definitely like this push on MQ. Beautiful. Can we have more upside here? Still holding R2Y. Beautiful move on NQ. Okay, can you give me a little bit more? Give me 680. Nice. Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna take some profits here. Okay. I think as long as both NQ and RTY hold our support, we can see more upside. Okay. Come on, give me another push. Okay, sold 2, only holding 1 runner on NQ now. And I'm gonna put my stop loss at break even on that last runner. Still holding 8 contracts on RTY. It's not doing anything, but it's still holding way above my stop loss. Kind of looks like a flag here. Could maybe say it's a flag. And I like the hold above morning high. I might be expecting too much from today, and I think today is a day for scalping, just based on how the price action's been developing the entire morning. Okay, can we have a breakout here? Look at that move on NQ. Look at that move on NQ. Look at that move on NQ. Anki holding very nice. RTY, too weak for my taste. I feel like getting rid of this one. Okay, can we have something? Can we have a move now? Yeah, I know I can do that. On trading view. That's how I have it here. But I like this, how I have it right now. This is getting so slow. Come on, just give me one more push. ES looks like it wants to retest morning high. Can we have the same thing on NQ? Or at least the 700s? Okay, let's see if RTY is gonna hold here. This is the support level we wanna see it holding. Okay. Okay, I like this. I like this hold. Okay, I like this hold. Looking pretty good so far. Looking pretty good so far. Come on. Beautiful. Really nice ad there. At support. Okay. And today is all about patience. I want to see a strong push here on RTY so I can take some profits there. And again, the price action is very slow, but as long as it keeps holding support, I think it's good. Yeah, ES was definitely the one to go with. Okay. Come on, just do it. Do it already. Beautiful NQ move. I'm still holding one runner. Okay. Ah. Okay. Come on, just do it already. I'm all out of NQ. I don't like how those reactions there. These price actions getting too slow, too boring for me. I do think the market wants to keep going higher. It's just extremely slow price action and very choppy. SPY, yeah, I do think SPY, yes, it's the one to trade. Look how easy, beautiful, clean break and retest SPY ES gave us here. 944 hold, 940s. If RTY give me another push, I'll be all out. Okay, I sold 10 contracts there. Can you do it here? NQ going. Now I'm regretting selling my last runner on NQ. But again, this price action is so slow, so choppy. Look at the candlesticks, very wicky. Technically, we have no reason to sell if we are on NQ, ES, or RTY. Just the price actions, just not great. Can we have a breakout here, please? And look at ES. Look at ES. We had a beautiful, perfect read of ES. Anyone took that trade, that break-in retest of the 944 level on ES? That was perfect. Yeah, very nice grind up. Yeah, really, really nice. Are you gonna pull back again? RTY? Just break out already. Yeah, ES, SPY is the same thing. It's pretty much the same thing. Okay. Come on, do it. Okay, I'm out. This is so boring. I'm out. I made around a little bit over 425 per account. With 10 Apex accounts, that's over 4,200. Pretty good. I do think I should have hold in my last NQ runner. Was just micro, but I don't know, I'm hungry. I'm getting impatient with how slow the market is moving. And if this RTY is gonna break out here, I'm gonna be so mad. But yeah, really nice trade, like clean technical analysis. So that's it from me. I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.